back. Welcome to LCS TV Plus. And today I'm going to teach you how to shop smarter as an investor, also earning those percentages of Bitcoin back and flipping it into passive income for the long term. So if you like the sound of that video, make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you won't miss out on the latest and hottest. Also, leave me a like or a dislike depending on the feedback of the video. Also, if you want to set up a consultation or an appointment with me, head over to my Linktree link and it will redirect you to my services. If you just getting started into crypto, you want the best recommendation platform, I got affiliate links in the description section below. Definitely check it out and that'll be much appreciated. Now let's go. So the first thing you want to do is head over to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko.com and look at the cryptocurrency prices by market cap. You want to make sure that the market is down. So the reason why you want to wait so the market is down is because you want to increase the level of percentages of Bitcoin as possible. So this is the same strategy going with trading, where you want to buy low and sell high. So with these two platforms here that I'm going to share with you in a minute, you want to earn low and gain high. So you'll always come out on top when the market goes back up. All right, so the second thing you want to do, you want to shop with these two platforms here where you can leverage the benefit of earning Bitcoin back for free just by shopping online. So starting off with Lolli. So Lolli is a Chrome/Brave browser extension where you can shop with thousands of merchants that is connected and earn a percentage back in Bitcoin. So this is the best way to avoid going out shopping during the pandemic, where you can just do your daily shopping online to be ahead of the game and keep stacking Bitcoin. Also, if you was ever having problem activating Lolli on your Brave browser, what you would have to do is turn off your shield here. And once it reloads, it'll activate your code so you can earn your Bitcoin back. And as you see here with Lolli, it's telling me that I can earn up to 13.5% back by shopping at Adidas minimum. So that's how you do it with Lolli. Just deactivate the shield and it'll activate it for you and you can start earning Bitcoin back. All right, so second platform we're going to take a look at is called Fold. So Fold is an application where you can buy any merchant prepaid card and automatically earn Bitcoin back. So this is definitely good for mass adoption because you can actually spend your Satoshis, which is the increments of Bitcoin. You can spend it to get a gift card by using Lightning Network. So definitely check this out. I have both platform referral links in the description below. All right, so third thing you want to do, this is the final step. After you took advantage and leveraging the free Bitcoins from the two platforms that I shared with you today, you want to flip that and earn double the interest of making passive income by using BlockFi. So what is BlockFi? BlockFi is the future of finance. It's a redefinement of a crypto bank. So you can actually put your cryptos to work and earn up to 8.6 APY yield. Also, you can do crypto loans and it's a trading account. So think of it as a crypto check-ins account where you can every time you're up, you can actually leverage the profits that you made and actually put it in another supported cryptocurrency that's supported by BlockFi, where you can earn interest on top of interest. So it does yearly interest and it does compound interest. So this is this is a no-brainer. I think this is one of the fastest ways to develop your wealth in cryptocurrency by getting in early. And also, if you want to know what's backing these companies, is Coinbase Ventures, Winklevoss Capital, Mortgage Creek Capital Management, Galaxy Digital Capital. You know, big names in the crypto space are backing this company. So definitely take advantage of this. Also, all the platforms that I covered, I got my referrals in the description link below. If you want to sign up, you can actually earn money back as you sign up from using my referral link. So that's all that I got for y'all today. This is Oliver and I'm signing out.